Smartphone AI is supposed to make life easier, but right now it's a disaster waiting to happen. Hey GadInsider, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. From your phone generating weirdly racist wallpapers to making up facts and headlines, the so-called helpful AI features on today's devices are more harmful than useful. Imagine a calculator that praises your wrong answers or Microsoft Word rewriting your essay with mistake. That's what using modern smartphone AI feels like. Tech giants like Apple, Google, and Novo are pushing these flawed tools in the name of progress toward the mythical goal of artificial general intelligence, AGI, but the result is a consumer nightmare. Even the most powerful chipsets like Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 aren't about speed. They're designed to suck up massive amounts of user data to feed future AI models. Meanwhile, users are stuck with interfaces that feel like a sci-fi with endless touchscreen swipes with 99% of inputs going wrong, making even basic tasks frustrating. But it's not all doom and gloom. True AI might be inevitable, and using today's flawed tools is part of training the smarter, safer versions of tomorrow. But not every feature deserves a free pass. Generative wallpapers or summaries that spread lies should be scrapped immediately. Ethical AI isn't optional. Until the day agentic AI finally arrives, only enjoy the tech you can trust, demand transparency, and refuse to let your phone take you into a world of deceit. The future might be bright, but today's smartphone AI is a train wreck, and it's perfectly fine to sit this one out. Do you agree? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Top 5 AI tools for everyday use. Generative artificial intelligence rapidly evolved from experimental startups exploring image generation to a robust industry encompassing video, music, chat, voice, and image tools. These technologies began serving a wide array of professionals, from filmmakers to influencers, fundamentally altering how creative content was generated and consumed. An experienced AI reviewer delved into and pushed the boundaries of new and updated AI tools. Some tools became indispensable in their daily workflow, while others left a lasting impression with their capabilities. Crafting a definitive list of the best AI tools across categories proved challenging due to the diverse offerings and styles available. Nonetheless, here were the 5 AI tools that stood out, used either professionally or for personal enjoyment on a daily basis. For images, use Leonardo. The free plan credits are $150 per day, and the cheapest paid plan is of $12. For video, use Luma Labs Dream Machine. The free plan credits are $30 per month, and the cheapest paid plan is $29. For music, use Udio. The free plan credits are $10 per day plus $100 per month. The cheapest rate of the paid plan is of $12. For chat, use Claude 3. With no free plan credits, the cheapest paid plan costs $20. For voice, use 11 Labs. The free plan credits consist of 10,000 characters per month. The cheapest paid plan is of $5. Among these categories, the standout choice for synthetic voice AI was 11 Labs, chosen for its unmatched breadth and quality. Reflecting on what made a superior AI tool, ease of use and accessibility were paramount. The tools featured on their list offered a user-friendly interface with a minimal learning curve, ensuring they were practical for both novices and experienced users alike. Furthermore, quality was non-negotiable. Even the most advanced features were worthless if usability suffered. In addition to functionality, pricing played a crucial role. Each tool highlighted provided a free tier or introductory credits, making them accessible for initial exploration without financial commitment. As AI tools continue to advance, their integration into everyday creative workflows signified a paradigm shift in digital content creation. Their impact on industries reliant on creativity was expected to grow exponentially, promising new possibilities for innovation and efficiency. Apple's AI push meets consumer alternatives. Apple's introduction of Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI tools for the new iPhone 16, has sparked interest in AI capabilities for smartphones, but older iPhone users have options to access similar features. Apple's marketing emphasizes that only the latest iPhone models can run the new AI software due to processing requirements. However, many existing apps can provide comparable AI functionalities on older iPhone models, potentially saving consumers consumers from an expensive upgrade. One journalist, having extensively tested numerous AI apps over the past year, offers insights into alternatives that can match or even surpass Apple's offerings. Key AI feature: text summarization. One of the highlighted capabilities of Apple Intelligence is its ability to condense lengthy text, which can be particularly useful for summarizing web articles or lecture notes. Text summarization tools can significantly improve productivity by quickly extracting key information from large volumes of text. This feature addresses the growing need for efficient information processing in an era of information overload. While Apple promotes this as a new feature, similar functionalities have been available through third-party apps for some time. The availability of third-party AI apps demonstrates the rapid democratization of AI technology in the mobile space. By exploring these alternatives, users can customize their AI experience beyond what Apple offers in its integrated suite, consumer implications, and market dynamics. Using alternative apps highlights the evolving relationship between hardware manufacturers, software developers, and consumers in the AI era. This situation exemplifies how third-party developers can fill gaps in functionality, sometimes outpacing native offerings from device manufacturers. It raises questions about the true necessity of hardware upgrades for accessing cutting-edge AI features. The scenario may prompt consumers to more critically evaluate the value proposition of new device releases, especially when focused on software capabilities, AI accessibility, and device longevity. The possibility of adding advanced AI features to older devices through apps challenges the notion that the latest hardware is always necessary for cutting-edge functionality. This approach could potentially extend the useful life of older devices, contributing to sustainability in consumer electronics. It demonstrates how software innovation can breathe new life into existing hardware, potentially shifting consumer behavior away from frequent upgrades. The trend may pressure manufacturers to focus more on truly innovative hardware features to justify new releases. Privacy and data considerations. The use of third-party AI apps raises important questions about data privacy and security. Users adopting alternative AI apps should be aware of how their data is processed, stored, and potentially used by these applications. The trade-off between functionality and privacy becomes more complex as AI features often require access to personal data or cloud processing. This situation underscores the importance of transparency in AI apps and user education about data management. Future of mobile AI. The rapid development of AI capabilities for smartphones, both from major manufacturers and third-party developers, signals a significant shift in mobile computing. As AI becomes more central to smartphone functionality, the industry may see increased competition between native and third-party AI solutions. This trend could accelerate the integration of more sophisticated AI capabilities into mobile operating systems and hardware. The ongoing evolution of mobile AI may lead to new paradigms in how we interact with and utilize our smartphones in daily life. While Apple's new AI features are compelling, the availability of similar functionalities through apps challenges the notion that hardware upgrades are necessary for advanced AI capabilities. This situation highlights the complex interplay between hardware advancements, software innovation, and consumer needs in the rapidly evolving smartphone market. As AI continues to transform mobile computing, users and manufacturers alike will need to navigate the balance between cutting-edge features, device longevity, and the true value of hardware upgrades.